बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। दोस्तों, अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखने का शौक़ है तो ये वीडियो है सिर्फ आपके लिए, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में मैं आपको सिखाऊंगी 16 ऐसे बेहतरीन टेंसेस जिन्हें सीखकर आप मुख्तलिफ सिचुएशन में बआसानी इंग्लिश बोल सकेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। टेंसेस टेंसेस फॉर्मूला एग्जाम्पल। टेंसेस फॉर्मूला और एग्जाम्पल। फर्स्ट है हमारे पास सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस। सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, इसका फॉर्मूला है सब्जेक्ट प्लस बेस वर्ब एस या ईएस फॉर थर्ड पर्सन। एग्जाम्पल है टॉम ईट्स एप्पल। टॉम ईट्स एप्पल। Present continuous progressive tense. Subject plus is, am, are plus present participle. Tom is eating the apples. तीसरा है present perfect tense. Subject plus have, has plus past participle. Tom has eaten the apples. फोर्थ है present perfect continuous progressive tense. Subject plus has, have plus been plus present participle plus since for. Tom has been eating apples for 15 minutes. 5 है simple past tense. Subject plus verb plus ed or irregular verb. Tom ate an apple. Past continuous tense. Subject plus was, were plus present participle. Tom was eating the apples. Past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus past participle. Tom had eaten the apples. Past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had plus been plus present participle. Tom had been eating the apples. Simple future tense. Subject plus will, shall plus base verb. Tom will eat apples. Future continuous tense. Subject plus will, shall be plus present participle. Tom will be eating apple. Future perfect tense. Subject plus will have plus past participle. Tom will have eaten apple before I came. 12 है future present continuous progressive tense. Subject plus will have been plus present participle plus since for. Tom will have been eating apples for many days. Past future tense. Subject plus would plus base verb. Tom told that he would eat apples in 1 hour. Past future continuous tense. Subject plus should, would, be plus present participle. Tom told that he would be eating apples all the day long. Past future present perfect tense. Subject plus should, would, have plus past participle. Tom said that he would have eaten apples. Past future perfect continuous tense. Subject plus would have been plus present participle. Tom said that he would have been eating apples. तो दोस्तों, ये थी आज की हमारी वीडियो। उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इसी तरह लगातार इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को कर लीजिए सब्सक्राइब और बेल नोटिफिकेशन के बटन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन देख सकें। हम आपसे मिलेंगे अगली नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।